Hi, today we'll look at how we can create an account on code.org. To start off, open up your browser and in the URL, type in code.org. Hit enter. Over here, click on sign in and then click on create an account. On the first box that says email, in the box, type in your email address. In case if you don't have one, then you can seek help from your parent to help you set up an account. In the password, you can give in a password for your account. After that, in the password confirmation box, retype in your password. And then click on sign up. All right, over here in the account type, click on the drop down and then click on student. In case if your parent is setting this up, please check this box. Okay, you can give yourself a cool name. I'm gonna call myself Shark 303. Gonna give and then given your age and then your gender. And then click on go to my account. All right, now you have an account on code.org. Happy coding.